Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, continuing that misconception series, and today I want to talk about, is removing standing water all you need to do to control humidity? Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about crawl space encapsulation, waterproofing, and insulation. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, and follow us on Facebook. If you're in a situation where your crawl space is flooding constantly, maybe you're on the coast, maybe you're near a floodplain, maybe you got a big pond outside, or you've got poor yard drainage and every time it rains pretty good, you got flooding coming into the crawl space because the foundation drain has failed over the years. If you live in an older home, that's pretty typical. A lot of crawl space encapsulation contractors will come in and they will just install either a sump pump and or a French drain and maybe install a proper vapor barrier, but most of them don't even go that far. And then they make this claim that, hey, if we address the standing water, you're not going to have a humidity problem in the crawl space, so the crawl space will dry up. Well, I just want all of you to know that that is very misleading, okay? Addressing the standing water, not that standing water doesn't create a humidity problem, but that alone may not be the only source of humidity in your crawl space. Remember, you've got the outside humidity trying to come in. You could have condensation from the dew point where the hot air of the crawl space is hitting that cold ductwork and that's creating humidity. You could have a leak from above that you don't even know about, creating a humidity problem. And besides that, if they do a French drain and a sump pump and then don't properly install the vapor barrier, and we've done some videos about that, about how you should attach the vapor barrier to the wall to keep it from shifting during flooding. If that vapor barrier starts to shift, that can expose the earth, and then the earth can give up humidity even whenever the earth is dry. So there are several different places that can cause humidity problems, and I encourage you, if you're talking to a crawl space encapsulation contractor and all they want to do is just install a water management system to control humidity, that is not going to do the trick. You're going to need some other things: sealing the vents, dehumidification, proper vapor barrier insulation to make sure that humidity is controlled properly. Even some exterior waterproofing may be needed on the outside. That should all be discussed and be part of the plan to make your crawl space worry-free. Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.